Hi, this is Eric, and this is the second video on the editor. In the first video I showed how you can put together levels for an RPG, but you can also control the behavior of every object in your game. This means you can create any type of game you want, not just RPGs. As an example, I'll make a picture change when you press a key. I've already created a folder called Content. Inside this folder I have two images. The first says Hello World and the second says Press Any Key. So I'm going to use C# 2005 and I'm going to create a new project using a template for the editor, and I'll call the game Hello World. Now the game's been created. I'm going to go to scene 1, the first scene in the game, and it's pretty much empty because I haven't written any code yet. So I'm going to save this file, and then I'm going to switch over to the editor. Inside the editor, I'm going to open the project that I just created in C# in the Hello World folder. And you can see the same thing. It has scene 1. If I open scene 1, you just see the blue background because there's nothing there yet. So I'm going to import the content now. Content folder, and I'll start with the Hello World bitmap. This is just the file being converted to the correct format, .xnb. And I'm going to import the second piece of content, which is the Press Any Key to Continue picture. Now that that's done, I'm going to go to the toolbox, choose Image, and put an image object using the Press Any Key to Continue picture. Now we have an image object that uses that picture. Now I'm going to open the document outline, which shows all of the objects that are currently in my scene. So there's an object called root, which is background, and an object called image. So for image, I'm going to change the name of it to pic. And then for the root, I'm going to change the name to back. Now I'm going to go to the Events tab, and you'll see that there is an event called Keyboard State Change, and I'm going to put a dot because I don't care about the name, and it will pick a name, which is back keyboard state changed. And this event fires when any key has been pressed on the keyboard. So I go back to C#, it says that something's been changed, that's fine, and you'll see that the back_keyboard state changed event has been added. Now inside of this event I can put code for whatever behavior I want. So what I'm going to do is pick, which is the name of the object, dot text for the texture, and I'm going to change the texture to content / hello.xnb, which is the Hello World file. So when I run the program, first you'll see the Press Any Key to Continue, and when I press a key, it will switch to Hello World. So that's just an example of how you can change the behavior of every object in the game. So that's what you can do with one line of code. Here's what you can do with one page of code.
Waiting for